Howdy ho folks, hope you're all doing well. Mr. Wonderful is pretty good today. Rainy day today, cloudy. It's not cold though, it's nice. So today, we're going to do a quarter. Prince Edward Island. Canadian. And I can't find my little clicker, for stopping the video. So this one, we're going to do all the way through. You'll see everything, but these ones are so easy to do. Quarters are, plus these ones are dead simple, So you'll see it all. I've even watched people make these and they don't need them at all. So let's try that, shall we? This guy in the States, he doesn't anneal his quarters, he just does it. Right, let's go with the big red, lady in red. Because he's a copper clad. Right. What we got? Only trouble I can't zoom out or do anything, so it is what it is. Right, let's break out Christy Burr. I'm just going to clean up the edge, make sure it's nice and clean. Okie dokie. I hope you're all doing well. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers and people for commenting. Thank you so much. But I'll tell you what, I will anneal it. Why not, eh? Let's go crazy. Yeah, God knows where my clicker's gone. So if you'd like a custom ring, coin ring, give me a shout, I'll happily make you one. Right, we want one of these 17-degree folding die. One of them, and we're going to go for, what we're going to go for? I think we go for this side, sunny side up in the ring. So that's going to go face down. We'll break out dimple, shall we? Give it a start. Lucille. I'll go over to big red. We want one of these 17-degree folding die. Put a bit of jollop in there. Oh, it's started getting warmer. This jollop's now nearly liquid. Right. Yeah, you got any comments, any wants, any ideas, anything you'd like me to do? Any questions? Drop us a line. I answer all my comments and all that jazz. Right, there's Sandy. Here she is. It's Just making sure it's nice and clean, free from any cracks and splits, which it is. Now we're going over to spike. Now this is the reason I usually cut the because when I do this, the camera usually goes horizontal, but we're okay there. This is spike. Here's the ring stretcher. This stretches your ring. Right. Give it a bit of a turn each time. It stretches the ring equally all the way around, hopefully. Yeah, this will be a quick video. Even without the cuts. You're just looking to get that bow out of it. Still got a bit of a bow in it. So I'll show it a bit more love. I will warm it up a bit more. Just a little bit. Right. I shouldn't have moved it really, should I? Nope, we're lucky. Yeah, usually when I move the phone like that, it goes to horizontal. And then you're sort of all over the place then. There you go. That's more cone shaped. So I get down to the bottom end of the spike. These are reduction dice. I've got loads of different quarters if you're interested. And you're just looking to straighten the walls up. I can't zoom in. I can't zoom out. Right. Well, that might have been too much. Yeah, just a tad. There you go, nice straight walls. There's a bit of a lip in there. Not much, just a bit. I won't use my gripper because I'm so close. God knows where it is. I know nothing. I learned it from the book. There you go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Right. I don't think we need Kate Bush. I trimmed this up a little while ago. So we need a bit of polish on it. Put some polish on me. Right. I still don't think that's going to get inside though, is it? But hey. These quarters I got are uncirculated as well. My friend in Canada sent me a load of coins. I've still got a load of them. Will this get inside? Probably not. These get a bit smaller, but you get the idea. Right, let's clean off the mingers. Let's see what we've got. And this was the uncut version. It's really good to have a clean cloth as well, like this one. I only use clean cloths. I never use dirty ones, as you can see. Right. This is a little bit cleaner. Not a lot. Oh yeah. She's good. $1.25 Canadian $1/4 coin ring. This is a size. This is size 8. I could probably take it to a 9, maybe a bit more. The walls are nice and straight. So there you go, folks. No clicker today. I'll probably turn up right now, but I can't see it anywhere. But there you go, folks. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your comments. If you haven't subscribed, it costs you nothing. Helps me at no end. Come on, hit the button. Hit the like button or dislike button. Have a great week. And try and make someone smile. And the rest of you can have this. Click, click, have it.